In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Maybe you want to know what email you used to register your account so you can use it to sign in on another device. So in order to find your email, first off, hit at that profile picture to open up your profile page. Then tap at three lines and select Settings. You will be taken to this page where you should tap at Account and then Personal Information. As you can see, my email field is empty because there is no email associated with this account, but if you used an email to register that Instagram profile, you can easily find it here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.